Good morning, kids. Today, I've got a 2011, what is this thing? Dodge Nitro SUV in here. The reason I'm making a video today, because I'm using a different bypass module. This guy is made by Fortin. It's the Fortin Evo All. That is the box. I hope the camera's set good. I've ran out of the Omega Link slash iData Link ALCA model. We're in a shortage, and so this is what I'm replacing it with. The Evo is not a bad unit at all. From my understanding, actually, Evo, so these guys make the bypasses. And from my understanding, I don't know this for fact, so please don't hold me to it. So there was some folks that worked at Fortin, and they started their own company with iData Link, and then they started doing bypasses. The only difference on the actual hardware is these guys actually use CAN modules inside, where the ALCA, Omega Link, iData Link use CAN emulators. I've had good luck with both. I don't know, I haven't seen any difference. And I've had good luck with these guys. They're solid units. I got one in my own car, actually. These, like the iData Link modules, you can use these also as just a standalone remote start. So the footprint of the guy is not, it's a little bigger, not much. As you see, kind of got the same ports. Same look. Of course, this is a Canadian product. Probably makes it better that it's made in Canada and not China, if that's the case. I don't. These days, I couldn't tell you who makes what. They do give you a little information here, not much. They give you a one-time code for the wire color website. I don't need that. It pretty much does the same thing. In the past, I usually have two papers. I have one with a diagram on it here, and then the wire colors are on a different page. Although I did go ahead and print out, I always print out a second copy. I'm pretty familiar with this vehicle. I've done a few of them already. So I am not too worried about that. But it's just it's a little different than what I'm used to. So, and how it programs. So how I programming, if you've seen it, it has a button similar to the iData Link modules. Now this one has these lights on it. Let me hold it the right way. I believe it's a red, yellow, and a blue. Those are the three colors. I forget what order. But so programming is a little different. Other than that, I don't think there's much difference. I've heard, I know a lot of folks love these things. I am used to the iData Link modules. That's why I use those. But like I said, they're out of stock, and obviously I want to put something, I'm not going to put something cheap in someone's vehicle that I wouldn't put in my own vehicle. That's why I'm using these guys. This actually could be the front runner in bypasses for me. I've been using the other ones for so long. I know those forwards and backwards, all the idiosyncrasies. The other thing I don't like is, so you have to flash this with a computer, just like I do my iData Link modules. And sometimes you've seen me with Fords, I will, I flash the module, I'm in the car, I grab information from the car, store it on the module, bring it up, hook it up to my cell phone, and then upload the information, and then they download it again. This happens on here, except the cell phone part is about $200, and I don't do these very often. I will do them on Volkswagens, anything German or European. So I don't want to invest that money. That's a lot of money, in my opinion. But then I just, then I have to use it on my laptop. So the downside is I have to drag my laptop with me. I guess if that's a bad thing. It is programmed. I programmed it last night. So hopefully you can program all the options on this guy. I just set it up as what they recommended for this vehicle. So nothing extra. There are in some cases we want to do, if we're using an RF kit. So RF kit would mean where we're going to plug the antenna right into this module with remotes. Then in that instance, there's some other options that I would load onto here. We're still using the RSX G5 or the RS4 G5 unit. So now it's just basically going to be a matter of setting it up, and the print is a lot smaller, so I'm not going to hang it on my hanger like I usually do. So, and then their data cable is a little different. Sure it does the same thing, but here is so this is what'll plug into the Crime Stopper. Now, Crime Stopper is already